let's do some examples for adding and subtracting vectors and other operations. So given that I have a vector u, which has components 1, 3, and a vector v, which has components 5, negative 12, then let's figure out what 1/2 u is. Now remember that a scalar times a vector is simply the scalar multiplied by each component. So 1/2 1, 3 is 1/2 times 1, 1/2 times 3. So that's 1/2 and 3/2. Simple enough. So now let's get u minus v. Now remember that the u minus v is the components of u minus the components of v. So I have 1, 3 minus 5, negative 12. So then I have 1 minus 5, 3 minus negative 12, which gets us negative 4, positive 15. Simple enough. And finally, we're going to get the magnitude of 2u plus v. So this is really two problems in one. We have to get 2u plus v, then we have to compute its magnitude. So, well, that's really three problems, right? Because we have to get 2u, then we have to do 2u, anyway. So, 2u plus, well, that's really just 2, 1, 3 plus 5, negative 12. So that 2 times each component is 2, 6 plus 5, negative 12. And then we add those components and we get 7, negative 6. But we're taking the magnitude, remember, so didn't want to put those bars there initially. It's kind of visually cluttering. So that's the square root of 7 squared plus negative 6 squared, which is 49 plus 36, which is the square root of 85. All right. Sorry, I had to check my answers to make sure I did it right. And my answer sheet's incorrect. So, good times. All right, well, that's really it.